Whoa, frick.
I would have broken you. I would have.
Crap.
Tom's a little. He's a little screwed up in the head.
Oh, God.
Dude, you almost 180.
Yeah, so like,
Dude, you literally.
ah. Oh, yeah, going pro. Hey, Talon, what's your favorite banana? Oh, that's a great answer.
Dude, that's it. Then after Connor, I'm coming off the tube. Everybody's move. Oh. I'm going to the tube.
Carson has troubles, so he has to wear his helmet while he's
Yeah.
skiing.
I'm mentally retarded. My mom said so.
Carson, give me. Connor, move. Carson, get this.
I.
Carson, hit me up top. Connor. People, move. No, that's Carson. Maybe.
Huh? Hey, that's my helmet. Hey, this isn't FIFA.
That was cool. You ready for this, Carson?
No.
Get this shit.
Okay. Oh, that was close. Hey, give me that. Did someone like call this guy?
Yeah. Hey, Nicholas, we got a job for you.
Huh?
Huh?
How much they paying you an hour?
Yeah, no, just lick it.
Almost. Fuck you.
What you going to from me, dude? Come here. Are you a pussy?
Sprinkles? Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Okay, put those in there. Just kidding. No, I don't want sprinkles. I only want. But no. We'll get some down here. Okay. So our miniature cart. Got 2-inch wheels on that thing. Thinking about getting some grinding pegs on it. There's a little grind for you.
Okay. Go around here.
Call that the shadow of death.
Up here.
That's how you fakey. Yeah. And you just gonna go up here. Tail whip. That's called the tailwhipsofa.com. It's like the. These things make noise.